Hi guys! Welcome back to Jeron's Maria channel. I have here a package from Amazon and of course a scissor. In this video we're doing unboxing. So I saw these items in TikTok and then I checked that have in Amazon instead of I order in the TikTok. I order in Amazon because of free shipping. We are a Prime member, so we have a free shipping. So what I order is Turtle. My camera is on front, so you can see like this. Turtle. It's how to say? It's a foundation. I don't know. I always notice this in TikTok. It's very viral on TikTok. Like, oh my God, it's really viral. So I try in this kind of foundation. They have how many? I'm not sure if how many color they have. So what I order because I'm red. My color is like I don't know, it's brown, I don't know, but I tried to order 27C coal beads. So we'll see if this one is nice. I gonna try in front of you. I already go somewhere, kaya my face is red. So I already have skincare, uh, sunblock, and I have the Dalba mist. I put that after my sunblock, so it will keep your face, smooth. So I open it. This the packaging. The box is nice. Excuse me. The the box is nice. Color coal beads 27C. I hope it match on my skin tone. So I'm a typical Filipino color. My husband said I'm white, but for me not. So if you can see this, I thought it a small one, but it's really good size. You can put this one on your bag. So when we open like this, bear with my nails. Kasi mahal magpa-nails lagi. Mayroon silang, what you call this? The one you put like that. What you call this? My husband is beside me. So yeah. So I'm watching this in TikTok how they put the review. I watched the one of the TikToker in a Korean people lady. She's pretty. I don't know what's her name. So I watched how she put it on her face. So in this one, it's a nice size. Have mirror itself, and then the I think punch, and then gonna open this like that and have cover. Actually this is a cushion. It's a cushion. It's look like I used already before. It's an Chinese brand. So have cover. It's like wet. When you put like that, it's wet. It's not powdered. So mayroon siyang how to open like this. We'll see how to do it. Okay, ayan. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot. We open first, guys, and I will show you. Oh, sayang yung nasa ano. It can use it. We're gonna put down my cushion. And, oh, God, Jesus. So, this one you can still use it. I will not throw it. This is one I will try on my face now. But, I have, here. It's just messy because the way I open maybe. And so, here she is inside. It looks like too dark for me. We will see. I will try it in front of you guys. We're gonna clean the mirror. I think it's have cover. Plastic. I will figure out how to take out because it's really not clear. So, tanggalin natin ang ating glasses. My eyes is blurred. I can't really clearly see what I'm doing, but I will try. And what I saw with the Korean lady in TikTok, I gonna tap just here because I don't want to use that for now because I have a lot here, as you can see that. So she do like that. Gonna just, she said she's supposed to be like in the middle of the punch. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm right. I don't know. We'll see. And then she said, don't put direct to your face. You're gonna pat here. Like that. And then after that, I don't know. Did you see it? We'll see. I'm gonna put this area because my face last day, I got something. How you call that? Pula-pula. So I put here. And then see if the color match. Oh wow, as you can see that. Oh, it's nice. One more. I'm gonna cover this blemish here. I'm under from the sun already. Been driving. You see how look, it's changed. Put down my face because I put my phone on the phone stand. We'll try to cover this. While I'm driving, I got itch on my neck. So what are you gonna do? I just put little bit here. And I will just direct this one to my neck if it will cover the red. No, it's not. Oh, I think I just put little bit. What you think, guys? Did the color match on my color? Did it match or not, Jaron? It's match on my color? We're gonna flawless this one. I don't really use foundation. I don't know how to make up. I do, but I don't put makeup. I just do makeup when we go to church, but sometimes. So I don't know what's, because my eyes is blurred. We're gonna check it after I put it. Because I'm gonna use my, I don't know. So ayan. What did you see? The color, it's much, but look like my eyes is so blurry. So we'll see. Oh yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, this is not sponsored. I ordered this in Amazon. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my unboxing of the Viral Tartar Cushion Foundation. Color Coal Beads number 27C. See you later. Bye.